So if you've been following any of our blogs or videos, you probably have heard us talking a little bit about NMN and NAD boosters. I've had lots of questions about, what is this stuff? Is it for real? So first of all, there's been about half a dozen publications in Nature, one of the apex journals, on NAD boosters. And the reason that they're important is that in our cells, you probably have heard of things called mitochondria. Mitochondria are like little batteries there where we produce all the energy in the cells. So in the mitochondria, you've got something called the electron transport chain, and that's what produces all the energy. NAD is absolutely essential for passing those electrons on. If you don't have it, you've got about a 7-second supply of ATP, you die. So that's how important NAD is. The problem is, as we get older, and we're not quite sure why, NAD levels start to drop off, about 50% by middle age. So that means you're producing less energy. And you may not even be conscious of this to start off with, because the really energy hungry organs of the body are the kidneys, the liver, and the heart. So you may just find that, or we know that we look at blood markers that function is dropping off. But you probably first start noticing it when memory starts maybe being not quite as good as it was. You feel a little bit more irritable. So the studies are showing, so can you take NAD? And the answer is no. What you need to do is take the precursor, NMN, that helps build things up. So that's one thing it does. So it helps increase energy mitochondria. The second thing it does comes to healthy aging longevity. And it activates something called sirtuin proteins. And these are proteins that help repair DNA. So the promise of NMN and the studies and the publications are kind of rolling out is really pretty positive.